This is crazy. So a lot of times when I'm turning these things, as usually I've said in the past, I don't know what I'm going to do until I get the piece of acrylic on the lathe. So this one in particular, I threw on the lathe and realized it had a lot of potential because of the amount of swirls in it. But it had a big corner missing out of it. So I rounded up this corner. I was like, oh wow, it looks like a bullet. And so that as I'm working on it, looking to make it look more like a bullet, I started putting some grooves in here. It was much bigger. It was much beefier at the time. So I put the grooves in it, and then it started looking like a penis. And I was like, oh, this is not going to work. It's a pink penis head. So I went to the internet and I tried to see the dimensions of what a mini ball would, dimensions were. And this was already too short to be exactly like that, but I realized how the grooves had worked. And then I went back to the drawing board, and I finally came up with this shape here. So it still has the profile of a mini ball, which looks really cool. And I think I'm going to do some more of these, maybe some in some darker colors. But this is the first mini ball that I've made, and it's a pink mini ball. So, and this measures, it's under an inch. It's about 3/4 of an inch by about 5/8 wide. And in the future, I will go to the blueprints of the original mini ball and pick a piece of acrylic out to make a mini ball. Maybe I'll just do a dark color or some solid colors. So go to fiddlebone.com, check us out, tell your friends, like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. All right, and be the first one to buy a pink mini ball. Have a great day.